The vibrant cultures of northeast India took centre stage in London. Members of the diaspora came together to celebrate their shared heritage. The festival brought together around 400 people from the region's 8 states, showcasing traditional music, cuisine and handlooms. Take a look at this board.